Hi everybody, it's Josh
and Jenna
with Resort TV 1, and today we're doing a little bit different video here about why we're thankful on Thanksgiving. So first of all, we hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family today, just that you enjoy the dinner and the food and the fellowship and just all the amazing memories that can be created on such an amazing holiday.
Yes, for sure.
So let's say what we're thankful for. Jenna, do you want to go first?
Sure. I mean, of course I'm thankful for all my family and friends, job, house, you know, all the normal stuff. So thankful for that. But also super thankful for all of our resort hoppers. We
Absolutely.
love you guys so much. You mean so much to us, and we can't thank you enough for watching our videos, liking our videos, just all the support you guys give us. It's just
amazing.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
Like, I still can't even fathom that we have 38,000 people that want to watch us. Like,
I mean, literally 38,000 people have bopped the subscribe button. Can you believe that?
I can't believe it. It's
and soon to be 40,000.
Yes, amazing.
It's just amazing. And I want to say too, I'm thankful, of course, for my family. I'm very thankful for Liam. He's just amazing every day. You know, he learns new stuff and just gets even cuter. So very thankful for him. And of course, Steph and Mom and Dad, and of course, Jenna.
Yes. And
so,
Josh.
Yeah. So, you know,
and
just
Dale and Chloe. Sorry.
Dale and Chloe.
I said family, but
yeah, all the family. But, you know, I think the other thing is you allow us to do what we love.
It's true.
And so everybody always thanks us for bringing Disney into their homes, but we really love doing this or we wouldn't do it.
No, exactly.
So, you know, and we're not trying to be the best or trying to be this or that. We're just trying to be ourselves and give you guys, you know, great Disney content, or as good as we can do.
Yeah.
And you know, we just really enjoy it. Like I said, every time we get to come here and get to experience these fireworks or this amazing, you know, park at Christmas, we're just thankful. Yeah, I mean, look at the castle behind us. We're just thankful we get to do this, and you guys make that possible. So thank you, Resort Hoppers, from the bottom of our hearts.
Yes, so much.
You guys help us as much as we help you. When we're having a bad week, you know, you guys come through for us and, you know, encourage us and make us feel better.
You really do.
And it really is I know Jenna's coming into a difficult season with the retail season.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Excuse me. So anyway, we are just so thankful that you guys are there for us, encourage us, and all that.
Yeah, you really help us when we're having a bad day, you know, just put us in a better mood for sure. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, as we have the Kiss Goodnight on behind us, which is so cool, we are thankful we get to watch that a lot too.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Sorry I had to cut the video for a second. I got a little bit choked up. I actually had a frog in my throat and had a tickle, so I had to, you know, just had to take a second and get some water. So anyway, but like I said, I appreciate, and I know we both appreciate you guys just allowing us into your homes, watching us. We're just so thankful because, you know, like we said before in the live stream, you guys don't have to watch us, but you do.
You do, and we love it
yeah.
so much, and we love you guys.
There are so many YouTube channels out there, and you guys just pick us and support us, and we appreciate it.
So much, we do.
So, and we're just thankful to know you guys and have met so many good friends and had so many opportunities. We stayed in a bungalow. I mean, we contemporary. We've had a fireworks cruise. Just so many amazing things have happened because of this channel, and we're just so thankful.
So thankful.
So, all right, guys. Well, I think that's about all we have for now. But I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family.
Yes.
Enjoy the time and make great memories. And we'll see you as soon as we can. And so, anyway, just thank you for being awesome.
Thank you, guys.
So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.